Hey guys, today I will be testing out a paint your own sun catcher kit. So let's see how this goes. And I just want to say that if this kit turns out to not work, that doesn't mean that all kits don't work. Just keep that in mind. Okay, just gonna attempt to open these, because I'm not good at opening packages or anything. Come on, use some strength. Okay, got it open, somewhat. Okay, think it's opened. Alright, so we got a little turtle. That is our sun catcher kind of thingy. A paintbrush. The string. The string. And the glass paint, which is what you use when you're doing sun catchers. Alright, let's... Okay, we get it. There's a turtle. Alright, let's get to painting. Okay, we get it. It's a turtle. Just get to the painting. Alright. So these containers of paint were pretty hard to open. So hopefully the paint is good because it was pre-sealed. Am I that weak, or were those containers really hard to open? Come on, use some strength. Alright, well. Yeah, I definitely need to work on my strength. Because I should be able to open these. Hope that means the paint is good. Alright, got some professional help with that. Because I cannot get them open. Alright. Oh, no. Just waiting for these paints to be opened. You done yet? Alright. Alright, the paints have been officially opened. Alright. They're kinda a bit... Alright, so there are the colors, green, blue, and red. Okay, let's try to paint this thing. Wait. Okay, so the paintbrush is not dipping into the paint, like, at all. So I actually tried feeling the paint to see if it was just a paintbrush. And that paint is legit putty. Yeah, that's not glass paint at all. I'm pretty sure that's like all like putty or slime. Yeah, that's definitely not glass paint. By the way, glass paint is just clear paint. Yeah, like, that's just putty or slime, whatever you want to call it. So I'm guessing the paint kind of hardened up a little bit, which I don't understand how, because that was so sealed. Like, I could not get that open. So yeah. Like, I understand how it was so hard and putty, like, if it was impossible to open. How does that happen? I don't know if I can, like, paint a turtle with putty, so yeah. Okay, we get it, it's a turtle. Okay, so I'm gonna go grab some stuff to hopefully do something with this so that way it's not a total fail. Hurry up, we can't wait all day. Okay, there we go. So, I got some paper. Did I leave again? Yeah, I think so. Okay, so we got paper. Hurry up. A pencil. And, oh, I think that's it. Right? Okay. So, and grab some paper out. And we're just gonna put this thingy under it. So that way when I go over with pencil, it'll leave like marks. You'll see if you don't understand. So I'm just going over it with a pencil, lightly. And then wherever the lines are, it'll come out a bit darker than the rest. You like my pencil? I did a video on how to do them, so you should go check that out. Okay, so you can kind of see that the turtle is appearing. Yeah, so you can see a little bit that the turtle's kind of appearing. And I have no clue what that purple dot is. So now I'm just going in with the eraser to get rid of the excess scribble lines or whatever, so that way you can only see the turtle. So enjoy watching me erase pencil lines for the next few seconds. You don't have to do this step, I just wanted to kind of neaten it out and make it a bit more clear what was the turtle, but I think it made it worse in the end. I really don't know, but I try not to make this a total fail video because that paint wasn't even paint. Okay, hurry up, we can't wait all day. Isn't this just so entertaining? Okay, I think I'm about done with erasing all the excess scribbles. You done? Nope. Alright, now I'm done. Alright. See how the results are. Alright, so there's the little turtle sketch. I kind of like how the texture of it. That was really cool. Alright, I'm just gonna add a little detail to this. Alright guys, have a good day and I will see y'all next time. Bye bye.